the train. Met this guy from Holland.
I love to eat children on the train. I'm trying to eat that one. It is very delicious. Sri Lankan children meat the best.
Yeah. People from Holland are crazy. Only about 40 minutes and it's felt like so long. We've got another half hour to go. I just need this. Right, we've stopped off at a restaurant. What are we getting? We're getting a mango juice, which is 400. What's that? Fresh orange is 1500. They are crazy, right? Oh, it's a jug, right? And you've got barracuda. What are we getting? We're getting the grilled barramundi, the potatoes, mango salad and butter sauce, which is about £4. Banging. Now, I don't advise doing this anywhere, but I'm pretty sure this is the clock in Delewaha La and I'm pretty sure there's someone on that sofa, so we're gonna stick this here. Actually, where are we gonna stick this? Let's do it here so you guys can watch me jump over. Let's jump back over. He's undoing that. While he's undoing that, I'm gonna jump back over. And we're back. Yeah, so that's your entertainment. Oh, the bag is broke again. Thank you, David. David Wright. Can I come in? Thank you. Do you want me this gate or that one? That one? This is the washroom. Washroom. Lovely, thank you. Yo, so we just left the hotel. Fucking Deliwala. It's not a hotel, it's a hostel. But I found out there's a zoo nearby in Colombo. So we're gonna go to the zoo and check that out, and then I'm gonna leave Colombo because other than that, there's nothing there.